Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be styling this wig. I made it like I make the rest of my wigs, bundles and lace closure. This is 3 bundles. The inches are 14, 16, and 18, and it is body wave hair. So I'm going to start off by straightening it. The flat iron that I'm using is my titanium flat iron. I've been having this flat iron for years. It's small, but it works really, really good, and it gets really hot. So just finishing up the rest of the wig. I just want it. It don't have to be bone straight. I just want it straighter. I just want it straighter than it was. But as you can see, I'm just gonna continue to straighten out all of the wave in the wig. So once I get to the front, this is where my styling is kind of gonna come in hand. Um, So what I'm going to do is comb the closure going straight down in all directions. I'm going to start with the back, and I'm going to flat iron it straight back. I want to, well, if you're doing this wig, you want to do it in small sections when you flat ironing it, especially the closure, because you want the closure to be as flat as possible, because, that's the crown of your head, and you do not want the crown of your head to look like a cone or anything. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to straighten the hair out. Okay, so the same thing for the front part of the closure. I'm just going to straighten it going straight down. Now what I'm going to be doing is cutting this with a razor comb to make bangs. I'm going to use the razor comb because I want it like more so jagged than, a blunt straight cut. Alright, so next I'm just going to put all the hair to the front like so, and I'm going to use my razor comb. I'm just going to start off cutting little by little because I don't want the bangs to be too short, and this wig is for one of my clients, so I'm just going to cut them a little longer so that I can cut them shorter once she actually has the wig on. But as you can see, it's giving it like a jagged look, and I'm slowly but surely trimming it shorter. Okay, so once I'm done, this is how it looks. I'm going to use this freeze blast spray to make sure that all the flyaways in the top are laid down, and then I will just run over it again, with the flat iron. And this is the final look, y'all. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to know why I use the lace closure at the top, it's because it's going to give you a more scalp effect rather than, just the circle wig with the bang. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.